TankSilo Company builds tanks and silos all over the world, in North and South America, and has had projects in Asia and Africa. But the majority of projects are in Europe. When the first COVID restrictions began, I was very scared. I thought we are not going to be able to travel. A week or two after the beginning of these restrictions, we adapted to the situation and realized that there are certain rules, and we just had to find ways to get to those countries. We received national exemptions from entry in several countries because we proved that we have important infrastructure projects for that particular country. These exemptions allowed us to send people to Norway when the borders were completely closed and sent people to America when it was impossible to enter the country from Europe. I went to Denmark at the age of 21 to build grain silos, and worked for a Danish-owned company, starting as a support worker, then as an assembler, and later as a team leader. Then I started working with the Austrian factory GLS Tanks, became a supervisor. And soon after that, I started doing projects with Lithuanians all over the world, for which I founded TankSilo. So I have 13 years of experience in this field. For the last 3 years or so, I've been doing mostly administrative work and spending less time on construction sites, but 3 years ago you would have seen me there doing physical and technical work. We stay in touch with manufacturers every day, and a lot of questions come up because we're working on several projects at the same time. Each one is unique and individual. There are all kinds of things and nuances. My employees also have questions because materials change all the time, and there are all sorts of news. Sometimes the client comes up with something, and technologies change, so we communicate every day, make decisions, and learn something new. Reporting is very simple. We exchange information through apps. Each team leader takes a few photos every night and gives a brief description of what they did during the day, and what still needs to be done, so we have daily updates.
We provide a safe work environment and comfortable accommodation and take great care of our employees' health. That's why we cover each of our employees with supplementary health insurance. Accommodation at construction sites is provided by our administrative staff. For our employees, we try to provide very comfortable accommodation that is close to the site, minimizes the amount of time our employees spend on the road, and allows them to return to their temporary home as soon as possible after work and spend their evenings and leisure time comfortably and pleasantly. Our company is growing rapidly, and we can't wait to welcome energetic, hardworking, initiative people with whom we'll be happy to work.